and welcome to our YouTube channel. Thank you so dearly for always supporting us. I really do appreciate. If today the first time you are coming across this wonderful family or you are seeing my face for the first time, I still remain Agatha Progress, bringing it to you back to back. Remember, we react to all videos and all opinion is highly needed. So just sit back and watch this video and I will be right back.
Not, I will not even call it war. The punishment the Ukraine is passing through is out of their negligence, out of their stupidity. God bless Russia for standing up. And Britain make a tetina Russia. Russia will put a weapon. Russia get you put a weapon. America you go down. Iana say sanction Russia. Do America have a Russia business with America? The main people dealing with Russia is China, this Asian country. And the China hate America. Once America you see now China America is evil. I'm not going to believe me. The Biafran is suffering today is because Britain and America collaborate together to punish Biafrans and other Africa. If they are talking about democracy, let the democracy start from Britain, who is in charge of Nigeria. Britain must remove their hand from Nigerian government. Ene kwoku balulu now ofoko ndi DOS njigolobori awe nwo gari anori here na say shut up your stop mumu supporting Simon. Brain get all these kind people now we come out and tell you I stand with Ukraine, pray for Ukraine without knowing the cause of the problem. Pray for Ukraine. That is what keep Africa in bondage, because you keep on praying for the people. Okay, now the world is talking about Ukraine. If the president of Ukraine did the president of Ukraine call for any person to come and help him? Did the president of Ukraine call any person? He gave the youths, everybody, he even banned every male child from 18 upwards not to travel out. Manobolo no my if he have a good advisor, knowing the capacity, knowing the capability, knowing the potential of Russia, knowing that before you will count 3 countries, that is very, very dangerous and high-tech. That is, these people are very, very dangerous in missiles and all kind of weapons. Russia must be counted. You will advise Ukraine to call America, call Britain, tell them, my brothers, as you can see, we cannot fight this battle, I beg. We cannot fight it. You go just drop, mellow down. So you tell yourself in all long this not only Britain, Ukraine loan, this IMF loan, Africa for bondage now. Russia near Ukraine, $14 billion to say no to that Ukraine NATO, but out of their stupidity, actually belong. America was desperate to how to enter Russia, how to conquer Russia. This is injustice. If you support Ukraine for this very act, you know that God will even destroy you for supporting evil. If you support Ukraine, forget say they are crying. They are the one who use their hand to draw this firewood, draw this fire that is burning them. Nigeria melu Biafra 1/4 of year Russia melu Ukraine. Agitation today. Then if only pray for Ukraine, especially in the Ipob. Ipob, I want all of now. All of you must get sense. Stop making my can look stupid all the time. You stand with this one, I stand. Do you know the meaning of I stand? You have not gotten your independence and you are looking for whom to stand with. If you have not gotten your independence because you see Russia is more powerful, you want to join. I stand with this one. That is how I stand and scatter Ipob. What I see the meaning of where you are going and you start supporting. America is evil. Britain is evil. These 2 countries is evil. Don't tell me America will give us Biafra. America will not give us Biafra. I am telling you nothing but the truth. There is no way America will help you without ask yourself, do America know what is democracy? Or ask yourself, if America know what is democracy, that country that has their independence have rights to live. Ask yourself, what is happening in Haiti? What is happening in Syria? Who are the people putting fire in Syria? Who are the people causing problem in Haiti? Is it not the same Britain and America? Because they have oil. Now the two have collaborated together, trying to take Russia by all means. Let me tell you, if you're a Russian or you have a Russian friend, tell them that MAP say that if they don't surrender all those they are useless this thing they are doing, Putin of Russia is ready to raise them down to dust. Will level anything instead of America to establish not even one base. Putin will level not even animal. Putin will level them up. Putin will level them up. Ukraine is fighting for democracy. Which democracy Ukraine is fighting for? Which democracy? If Britain and America know what is a democracy, they should first of all remove their hand from Biafra land. SARS, Nigerian SARS, is being created by Britain, another country. Nigerian president is being selected by Britain, another country. And these people open mouth and tell you what is democracy. The people who have committed more genocide, more than every other person in the whole wide world. I don't know if you people read the history. I don't know. But for me, I put my own in my brain. I read, I make researches. The European, this Europe you are seeing, are the worst people that you can come across. Are the worst people. The people this Europe you are seeing, they are good in ethnic cleansing. They are good in massacring, wiping ethnic history. And the good example of it is Britain, what they did in Nigeria. That is why most of Africa now cannot trace their origin. They cannot trace where they come from. And you will see one Okoko from Africa tell you, I support Ukraine, stand with Ukraine. Russia is marginalizing Ukraine. One day, go and study history. Go and make your researches. Stop supporting rubbish. Person like me, I don't support anyhow. I see reason to support you. If Ukraine had never made agreement, negotiated with NATO, which the people that established NATO is America and Britain. If Ukraine know their stand, and they disassociate themselves from NATO, Putin will never attack them because Putin is a man of his word. My pain, I am not bothered about all those things that is happening, but my bother is that you will see a full grown-up African man, Onyibo to be precisely, will come on social media. The platform is supposed to be campaigning for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He will be telling you, I stand with Ukraine, pray for Ukraine. Thunder fire Ukraine there. Thunder fire you. In fact, thunder fire Ukraine for being this evil, knowing how devilish Britain, America is, and they want them to come and conquer Russia. What did the Russia do to Ukraine that is wrong? Okay, if Russia may go to Ukraine, they wrong. Tell me one wrong thing Russia have done to Ukraine. No single wrong thing, but because of the desperation from this America and Britain, they went and tell Ukraine they will give you loan. Even the loan they are telling them they will give them and they will pay interest. 2014, if I'm not mistaken, 2014, Russia promised them the money. Russia promised them the money, but America deceived them. Britain deceived them. America to say no bomb now, come and retaliate. No be I stand with you when you know fully well that you know world power. If America mistakenly send only one bomb to Russia, world power will come off America. Many countries on many countries. Many countries on in case you people don't know. Don't think Russia is alone. No. China is standing there as a route with Russia. The other man, North Korea president. Onye can go on or stand by. America could go do once. One onye create to go many missiles so question test. On a chain go get test and around them. Or they go on America. America area. If the America jump now, they will clap follow America. Each and a Putin. Oh, go get one first come, first collect. Oh, yeah, Russia on ya. First come, first collect. One need on you Rinalo. Eating ya Rinalo in Alia Shapali. That's it, Africa, no, one Africa independent. Thank you, India. And you know, in the world now, in this world, rapid any rate America, China, control China and sanction now, no there. China is one of the most dangerous countries in terms of military. Every family in China, every family they produce a first man. In one idea. It's and people they happy with this idiot now Lalolan office and Joe Biden. It's and people they happy with it. And my own problem in the IPOB. Come on, have a face now deny imagine and the lawyers to see Masin and country times in Foko, Mbala for Namapata. Pray for Ukraine. I stand with Ukraine. Russia nothing bad. Man, all stand for that. I stand for that Ukraine. Can't stand there. America will take over with Britain. That is why Biafrans lost 5 million peoples. Yet no place they have ever one day. Nobody have stand trials. And you jump around standing with goat and rat. Small thing, you come out, you say you stand with. Who tell you? Stop standing with any person. Stand on your feet. Okay, man, Ukraine. That now. America will not give us Biafra. Britain will not give us. Britain now, or that NATO. NATO was created by Britain and America. Now, America again, give freedom. Dominate. Give freedom. And the Britain colonized America. Godfather, what have you? No matter Rapia Haji, what power, they still give respect to Britain. They still honor Britain. That's first respect. How can if you want to stand with, if any person that call himself or herself an IPOB want to stand with, stand with Russia. If you stand with Russia, a man is standing with him. You know, guy stand there with Onyo Fuku. Onyo Fuku na asa akwa Onyo Biamana na asa more kache. Go and read history. The plan of Britain is how to make Russia surrender. They want to surrender Russia. Actually, their missiles, their ballistics, all these their weapons to surrender Russia, so that they will now be controlling and threatening Russia. So that they will now, because once you conquer Russia, they have already captured Europe. For this Europe, me and you is now, this Europe, forget wow. And one country in Europe, Russia, France, my weapon, yes, I am a Germany, I am. Man, Europe, come on again. Okay, for Russia and Turkey. One net all these people, had a cocoa. Mona idea in action. The block Bible, Bonaida, one that told bomb. Maggie, my Bible, Gaboku. Maggie, my Bible, and me pray for you. One maybe if you stand there with person, go and read history. We have politics in Nigeria at all. That is why Africa we are sleeping. With Africa, IMF. Hear the meaning of IMF. One IMF, the modern slavery. They will borrow you that money, you cannot pay it. You go to Uganda. What is keeping? Why did China is taking over Uganda? All because of this IMF loan. You only the interest. You will pay the interest until thy kingdom come. You pay the interest, you will die in paying interest. Before you know it, they will bring their base. You think they are bringing security to help you. Since, do you know that America have a military base in Niger, where this Boko Haram that is coming out rampage on every day? Why can't them attack them? Why can't they use their military base in Niger Republic to stop Boko Haram from Africa? These people planted that in. Some of the Boko Haram are being trained by this American military base in Africa. In Africa. Some of these people, Boko Haram members, you have seen. Sakiwa Abubakar was American people here training there. That guy used to English. I remove my cap for that guy. I'm not English. Oh yeah, so pure English, American English. And you can stay Negemonti. Nobody, Ukraine is alone now. Can go back in Kebezoku. Ukraine no longer. Ukraine no can a naked man. Onye bought that Ukraine because Russia made that statement. Putin wagging first come, first collect, or they hear joke. Send the good missile from your country. France is in a has send the Ofuka, you know, dear. America is not how you want power. NATO. We know that many countries made up NATO. Plus also America, we have many countries, about 8 or more than 8 or 10 of them, if I'm not mistaken. Made up NATOs. We had to go to Fumpulu bomb. Even has sent go to soldier. Secret one. You know there. Under 28 hours, under 48 hours, Ukraine capital Kiev have been captured. At that place, the Ukraine capital today was the former capital of Russia. You know what idea? I'm not can IPOB but I make research. You know, Melo post all manner of rubbish. Everything is news for you. Everything Bologi news. Everything is not all about news. You have to make research. Know what you post. Do you know that in Russia na Ghana any platform of IPOB fucking promote that rubbish? Or make a tell one will get your government in go wow. IPOB will go kuba. Jukwese. Jukwese kaya pata that guy in Nobutoki. In promote IPOB. Kaya pato jukwese promote IPOB. Jukwese. Kaiden wise. Obola kwani binga in make and bingo. The worst country normally failed democracy on this planet Earth are European countries. European countries. If European countries are ready to wipe out your ethnic, that is your ethnic, how they wipe your history. In one idea, this Italy, this Italy, no, Ngwagi the history of Italy. Ngwagi on here. The main people, Italian people have a wipe out. All of them, these and them, man, the history. How I know the history. In Ghana, Sicily, or below indigenous people no Sicily, no Rome. That Roman Empire in Africa, I below the same Roman Empire of them. They are Napolitan. They are different. Biaziano na Milan. God dress, God read their history. Oblock and call on your potential. Yeah, an IPOB. He stand with the Ukraine. Onyo folk has or anaha azakwa. Onyo folk analak azakwa. Onye bota de tinya kanapa. Poor man no the answer talking ado. Onye obi manala azomo okachie because some people nwolo ko yeju ekachi. IPOB should be very careful on whom they are standing with. Don't stand anyhow before you know ya. Go and read history, make your researches. Get sense before you talk on social media. America and Britain are collaborating. Making everything necessary to wipe out Russia. And then no now, but I had diplomatic war. Diplomatic war. I say there. Okay, enough now. A way to enter Russia. Even Russia will oil you. Or couldn't idea they are oil producing country. You know what idea? But this country will oil, but they have problem. And they have power. Have military. Indian military this thing have potential. Had well loaded in military. Where oil? Where the finance? Where everything, all it takes. Penetrate here. We just talk about you. The Russia oil is one of the best oil. The Russia oil is one of the best oil. Penetrate here because how am I hear these people? Dubai well oil, but the military might like Russia. Dubai now, Britain and America we keep Dubai. No funta dianya, Mabon and the Arab country bahankete. Manokwe for Russia, that well, how would everything sophisticated? So, Ozim Ukraine versus Russia. Able one Ukraine or Nema anything about Ukraine, advise them to step aside. That's some English, Simon. Advise them to step aside and surrender, ceasefire. If not, okay, the only thing sleeping Joe Biden will be doing is coming on the TV and they give you sanction. The question is, Guinea corner sanction. First of all, for more than 10 years, gas sanction Russia. Before putting a video name now, or set all my Puchago out, every of his plan, or draw everything. Or Malugona, or make go friend with the people who is in the important. Or make you go friend with Russia. Make you friend with India. Make you go friend with China and India and other North Koreas. Americans will make you her friend. Ever 90% of business or these Asian countries. Now, I'm going at something like this. Now, the first thing, the only thing American will keep is sanction. They got some economic and they're going to bank and all those things and the movement and this thing. And when you talk about the space, even government space, bad working on my own space, like Britain, or perhaps sanction by banning the Russia airline air float not to pass the space of Britain. Or because Ozukeme, okay, Ejirobi card, fearless lady. Now you are powering. And they rap English. Take the message and leave the English. English is like Igbo. English is like Yoruba. English is like Hausa language. There's no difference. So anyone you study, now you study. Don't be proud of another man's language, because that's where your stupidity starts. The moment you are proud of another man's language and you are not proud of your own language, one name go. That is why in Gagun, Russia plan ilofuma, ha kwado lofuma. Kwado set everything. America na plan nke ha. All now Africa, if it was in Africa, all these things, do you know that only Ukraine can wipe out the whole African country? Are you aware of that? Only Ukraine can wipe out the whole African country. There's nothing in Africa. Africa Atlantic or Bolo. Africa Atlantic. Many people know here national English. What I know, the kind history I know in this my small head, with their vocabulary and grammars, they don't know one quarter of it. That is, many of them will come well-constructed English, telling you stand with Ukraine. When you ask them, why are you standing with Ukraine? You will not know. They don't know. They say Russia is killing them. For what? So Russia will not kill them. Can you deviate? Now, Putin in those plan, set it build go the economy, go the America, Russia. Makes everything or the makes everything okulu chinchim. That is all tachi. Na onye obuna ebe obuna ino ya fu Putin na gonyelu mi mmanya. Gonyelu no Putin mmanya na onye abu nwoke. Onye is a man. Opilu button ya. Je go na statistic of war equipment. Ke ifugo ebe ono. Ke ma na onye akugodo akụ, onye na akugodo akụ first. Or tachie tachikolu potazie na emiye. That is why you see America. If you people think you are a man, you think in Izuke, to come from all the way from America and to challenge him. Get to honor for bomb. Ogodoma, thank you. The bottom line is for Biafrans to look for Russia, China, and North Korea. Once you get these people, Britain, that is why Putin in their power now, power. Or they ujada or they shake, no shaking for him. Ogwa have first come, first collect. One need only see na bomb. It's an America telaka. Oga no na be optebe kwandamio. Obloka Putin in no go Putin. The man Putin in himself will face Russia. I mean face Ukraine. Ukraine cannot last 24 hours. Ejikoti yeni ne make up Ukraine. Bo hoko. Aya blog, yeah, testing of Kamaruka manano aya. Yeah, just get expired weapons. Here Putin in the test so expired weapons. Or what Putalunda weapon Beka Ukraine no. Kebe Ukraine no. No katena you go channel Ukraine go Moldova. Mba go channel Ukraine go Moldova na people na. You go channel Ukraine you go Moldova. Ana what country say? The America and Britain deceive Ukraine. They deceive Ukraine to the point that Ukraine think or thought there are some people with underrated the power of Russia. Russia never Russia boja the whole Europe and shake Ukraine is also Gamawaka, Unamakadife, and the Fuka Biafra and Webeloko. Biafra Beloko Nabo, Apotashig, you stand with Ukraine, with Ukwebeke, you stand there with Ukraine. Ukum can Nigeria Begolugi, he just stand with Ukraine. If Lena Boyagamanguana. Going to Ukraine is like crippling yourself the more. Going to Ukraine, especially and will any person who for Biafra keep not even type or pray for Ukraine. Pray for Ukraine on what area, in what? So you want US and Britain to take over Russia. Kahamebe Russia na Haiti and na Syria. Kamebe Russia na Nigeria. Kamebe Russia na Cotonou. Kamebe Russia na Cameroon. Kamebe Russia na Ghana. No, I disagree. I disagree with you on that area.
My word. That brings us to the end of this beautiful update. Do well to like this video, share and subscribe. The best thing for you to do is to join this family by smashing on that red subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see you. From me to you, I say bye.